To view the teacher's salary subsidy recipients per school year, go to View List of TSS recipients in the navigation panel and select the school year by clicking the drop-down list beside the page title. Click All for the list of billed and unbilled TSS recipients. Click Licensed for the list of billed and unbilled TSS recipients with license. Click Certificate of Rating for the list of billed and unbilled TSS recipients who have been issued certificates of rating. To print a list of TSS recipients, select the type of list from the drop-down list. Click Print TSS Recipient, and the system will generate a PDF file of the type of list selected.